clever boy? Are you clever boy? You clever boy? Are you clever boy too? It's rainy, wet and miserable, isn't it? Hey? The grass is sodden. It is soaked and muddy. Hey. Hello and welcome, it's Jilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia. I am going to do one of these rainbow Dutch poury things, chaos blow, whatever they want to call them today. I have some lovely bright colours left over, so I thought what better than to do something bright and uplifting. And I actually want to split my canvas. This is a 60 by 30 canvas, so a nice size canvas to work with, and I want to split it with split colours. So I'm going to go my very dark navy, which I make up myself out of phthalo blue, and then just add black and a good dash of green. Makes a nice navy. So the two colours. There we go. And then I'll plop the white on. So it's always nice doing a split canvas. It's always good fun. So I might just spread this out nicely. Not going to worry about being too fussy with it because it's going to be blown about. So I'll just spread it. Wipe my offset spatula. They're really good little tools to have if you do your acrylic pouring. This was just a little cake icer, I believe, but it's the smaller one, so it's easier for my little hands to work with this one. Remembering we're here for a bit of fun. It's not serious. It's art therapy, your art room, your rules, your way. So just enjoy the process. Don't put too much stress on yourself, for sure. Have fun. Right-e-o. Colour. Let's see. I've got this. It was a sort of a candy red, and I put some fluoro orange in it. So it's really, I suppose it's like a tangerine colour now. I'll put some of that in there. Might go another one over here, and I think I'd like to put purple this end, purple here, and I think I'll put some of the yellow in with the tangerine colour, plus I'll put some beside it too, just for good measure. I've seen various acrylic artists do these rainbow pours. Definitely seen Olga Solby do these gorgeous rainbow pours. She does gorgeous pours, full stop. But definitely Olga, and then there's been quite a few other ladies been doing them, and I thought, oh, they look bright and uplifting, so you know, why not? What colour do I want to put in here? I might put some gold in with my turquoise. Don't want to mix the colours too much. And then I'll put some white in with the yellow, I think. It kind of looks like a colourful caterpillar. Rightio. I'm not sure if I've put enough paint on there, but I'm going to just whiz it over with my heat one to burst some air bubbles, and I'll see how I go. Certainly does look like a colourful caterpillar. Rightio. Oh, my little dryer, my favourite one. So I'm going to try and do it slowly. Is there such a word? Or should I even... I was thinking, no, I'll just try it slow. Oh, how beautiful was that? Look at that. Looky, looky. Oh my goodness. So nice. My dog's getting excited too because they hear my tone of voice getting excited. You're excited, Rosie. You got your nose there, Rose. Get your nose there, Rose. Oh, so nice. Just trying to blow some of the paint off it. The blue that I obviously was... Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's pretty special. Wow. Love it. Oh, slap my hand on... Oh, I hope I don't wreck it. Gorgeous. Not happy with that bit there. Oh. What do I do with this bit here? Seems that I've got a lot of that blue. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. There is definitely a few areas that I could continue blowing, but I'm too worried to keep going in case. It's beautiful. Really, really lovely. I mean, of course, my thing in me gives me the feeling that I need to just do a little bit. If you don't want to do it, you don't do it, but you can either add some embellishments or not. And I feel that I want to, just to soften some areas where the colour's a bit solid in it. I could blow it a little bit more, but I'm too worried in case I lose the lovely, I think it's a nice composition to it. Love this purple here with the white. Might have to try that on its own. Purple and the yellow there, just beautiful. My goodness. Now, ladies and gentlemen, would that look better with some balloon work in it to give it some effects or not? If you were doing it, you probably wouldn't do it, but because it's my thing, my art, my rules, my way, I feel I should. But gosh, that's gorgeous. I am so happy with that. I'm gonna leave it, honestly. I'll leave it. Beautiful. I want to bring you down closer to have a good look at this. I do feel I need to maybe blow some areas out a little bit that look like that's too thicky, blobby. But see, that's what I don't want to do. Like, I shouldn't have done that now. Oh, okay, I'm going to bring you down and show you. That is gorgeous. I really like that. And I think that would look super duper with some resin on it. Look at this. The purple looks so nice. And I guess the gold as well with it. And it's obviously blown underneath some of the blue to get those the wisps of colours. It looks like something on fire. See, I shouldn't have blown that. I've blown a monster. Look, it looks like the face off the Scream. That's not good. I'll have to work on that. But the rest of it, oh, I'm very, very happy with that. I really hope you give this a try. That is beautiful. Some of them are really lovely feathery effects just from the hairdryer. Look at that. Overall, I'm very happy. It does need a little bit of tweaking. So, I hope I don't ruin it tweaking. I'm going to leave it to dry anyway and see how we go. So thank you, my lovelies, for joining me. Please join me again tomorrow. And don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, ring a friend or a family member. Definitely a helpline if you feel you have nobody. Do not suffer in silence. Be happy, people. Whatever. Bye for now. Bonus bits, bonus bits. I know some people always tell me off for doing the balloon in whatever style I do. It's my thing and I love it, and I just feel that this needed it to define some of the blobby areas. I promise I won't go over the top. Ooh, maybe I will. I need to bring in another colour. It's alright, I'm talking to myself now. See, that's a bit thick there, so I can get rid of a bit of that thicky blobbiness with my balloon. If you don't overdo it. I'm talking to myself yet, telling myself not to overdo it, not you guys, because you probably wouldn't. Wow. Do I? Okay, that's it. That's it. I promise. I promise, puppy dogs and everybody. That was my bonus bits. I think it's lightened. It's made it look like fairies dancing.